Oh no. Oh, where am I? I am lost. I need to find the museum. But how? Ah, a friendly owl. Excuse me, can you help me?
Hello? Yes, of course.
Where is the big city museum?
It is easy. First, go straight.
Go straight. Okay.
Then, turn left at the traffic light.
Turn left at the traffic light.
Next, go past the bakery. The museum is opposite the park.
Go straight. Turn left. Go past. Opposite. Thank you. Okay. Okay. First, go straight. A traffic light. Now, turn left. Wow! Fish! A fish market! Wait, no! Oliver said go past the bakery. Ah, here is the bakery. Go past it. Look! A park, a park. And opposite the park is the Big City Museum. Penny, over here. Hi, Ellie. I am not lost anymore. Good job, Penny. Let's go inside.
Have fun at the museum.
Let's review our words. Go straight. Turn left. Go past. Opposite.